Mr Speaker, the summer season represents a time for holidays and celebration for Australians.
The only light you had was the enormous flames.
Probably 95% of the houses up there have gone.
Victoria's Black Saturday fires were a devastating and catastrophic tragedy.
Beyond precedent and really beyond words.
Unfortunately, it's also a time when we are most likely to suffer from natural disasters.
Chum Creek, Toolangi, Yarra Glen.
173 Australians lost their lives,
Christmas Hills.
and the financial cost was estimated to be $2.2 billion.
Many here have said that we must never let this ever happen again, and we mustn't. But you know, people have said that before.
Fortunately, technology brings us new possibilities. The image processing technology developed by the German Aerospace Institute for the NASA Mars Pathfinder mission has changed the way we can detect the earliest sign of a bushfire: smoke.
The firewatch system uses unique smoke sensing technology derived from the NASA Mars Pathfinder mission to detect smoke at the earliest possible opportunity after a fire has started.
The firewatch system is able to detect the difference between 16,384 shades of the colour grey. This enables it to distinguish smoke from clouds or dust. Additionally, the firewatch smoke detection system uses a number of sophisticated mathematical algorithms to make a pixel-by-pixel analysis of a landscape looking for the telltale signature of moving water molecules.
The telltale signs of water molecules that occur within smoke clouds. And once these two elements are detected as being present, it automatically sends an alert to the firewatch control system.
Following Black Saturday, of course, I was made aware of so many different technologies, but I decided to investigate them for myself. I went to Germany, met with the German Aerospace Agency, the Firewatch people. I went to Portugal, and the technology that stood out like a beacon, far and above any other technology for what I could see, was Firewatch.
And it's broken up into three key areas. The first area is the panorama area, an appreciation of the area in which they're surveying. The second part is the controls of those sensors. The red section indicates all of the automatic alerts that have been sent from the sensors on the towers. And the last section is our electronic map, which shows us exactly where the smoke sighting has been detected. So now I can pinpoint the location of the smoke sighting and notify the fire agencies.
Over the past 9 years, the German National Firewatch Network has reduced the area of forest burnt by 80 to 90%. The number of fire events has not changed during this time. However, the average area burnt per fire has been drastically reduced. The German network covers 2.3 million hectares of volatile pine forest using 178 sensors monitored from 22 local control rooms.
A network of early warning sensors enables a full landscape to be covered, such that if a fire breaks out, it will be seen at the earliest possible opportunity to enable the emergency services authorities to direct the right resources to exactly the right location.
Each tower-based Firewatch sensor rotates through 360 degrees every 4 to 8 minutes, collecting 3 images in each 10-degree segment of the rotation. It has an effective range of 40 to 60 kilometres, depending upon topography, and the need for cross-bearing to pinpoint the location of the smoke.
2, 1, go!
In the recent Australian trial, fires were detected from 1.6 kilometres to 65.5 kilometres from the sensors. When the Firewatch system detects smoke, an alert is generated.
The alert has come in, and now we bring up the image from the sensor. The red box here indicates the area of interest. The sensor has picked up that and the computer on site has analysed it to say that yes, it meets the criteria of bushfire smoke in that area. If the operator was still not sure, there's some more tools that he can use. The next one is a contrast control. What the contrast control does is remove all of the colours that are not associated with the bushfire smoke to make it really easy for me to make a determination that that's smoke.
If the alert is indeed a bushfire as opposed to a known emission source, an alarm is sent to the Emergency Services Agency describing the location, size of the plume, including digital map details, enabling a rapid and accurate response.
Early detection, combined with state-of-the-art firefighting resources, can enable fires to be identified, dealt with safely, effectively and quickly.
To actually see it working in the Brandenburg forest area, and then to learn that this technology has reduced those forest fires by 92%. And to listen to the equivalent of our environmental department experts, people who have nothing to do with Firewatch, actually acclaim the benefits of the technology. For me, that was the pivotal moment when I thought, well, if this can work so effectively here, why can't we have the same sort of technology here in Australia?
We've had some very positive results in the Australian trial of Firewatch system. The system works under Australian conditions, being proven by over 320 separate fire events, with over 10% of those being at night.
And this is because our sensor can see the near infrared wavelength. This was detected in the dark of night, when the human eye could not see anything at all.
It's unique to any other technology on the market. The human eye, CCTV and even infrared cameras are unable to see at that wavelength.
A national network of Firewatch early detection sensors would deliver real-time information into the hands of the emergency services authorities. This would allow the right resources to be sent to exactly the right location before the bushfire becomes an inferno.
It's a terrestrial system. It doesn't have to depend on the satellite passing over an area. It doesn't just function when the fire has developed a heat source. It works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 52 weeks of the year. It is the only technology that I have discovered that ticks every single one of those boxes.
We would be hoping to get decisions made before the next bushfire season, at least in respect to a further rollout.
The next step is to undertake a series of further and more extensive trials across the higher risk areas in the Australian landscape. This would also help to resolve how the Firewatch information could be incorporated into existing emergency management systems.
I would challenge anyone who says that vital technology like this is a luxury. Technology that is going to assist our firefighters, that's a luxury. No.
The 7th of February 2009 will now be remembered as one of the darkest days in Australia's peacetime history.
Mr. Speaker, I don't want any other Australian citizen to go through what my constituents have. Thank you.